Hi everyone, it's Miss Owen here at BMS, and I'm going to show you ways of using translations on coordinate planes. So let's look at our first example. Our first example, they want us to come up with a translation rule or an arrow notation rule to show how did this triangle translate into this triangle. A translation is just a slide on a coordinate plane. So we need to see how did this triangle slide over to this one, okay? So first we want to take our points A, B, and C and see where they're located. A is located at -5, 7. B is located at -8, 5. And C is located at -3, 5. So how did it translate to this new triangle A prime, B prime, C prime? You can take any of the points A, B, or C and match it up with A prime, B prime, or C prime. So if I take A, I'm going to match up A with A prime. A moved to the right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 spaces. And then it moved down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 spaces to get to A prime. So then we need to come up with our arrow notation rule over here. So it always starts with X, Y. When you move to the right or left, you're talking about the x-axis, the horizontal line here. When we move to the right, notice our numbers are positive, so our rule is going to be x plus however many it moved. So in this case, it moved 10. When we move up or down, we're on the y-axis. In this case, we moved down, so down is negative, so it's going to be y minus 9. And that's our rule. Okay, so to find the new points, A prime, B prime, C prime, there's two ways you can do it. You can either look at the graph and see where they are. So A prime is at 5, -2. Or mathematically, you can plug in your A into this rule, x plus 10, y minus 9, and you will get the same points. So A is -5. -5 plus 10 is 5. And y, 7. 7 minus 9 is -2. Let's try the next two mathematically. B prime. B prime is, or let's take B. It's -8. -8 plus 10 is 2. And y is 5. 5 minus 9 is -4. If we look at B prime, it's located at 2, -4. Okay? C prime mathematically. C is -3. -3 plus 10 is 7, and then y is 5. 5 minus 9 is -4. Notice that C prime is located at 7, -4. Okay, this problem here. Translate triangle PQR right 8 units and down 6 units. Name its coordinates after the translation. So when it says to translate, all we're doing is sliding the shape on a grid, on a coordinate grid. I'm going to take P, and I'm going to move it to the right 8 and down 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, down 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Labeling it P prime because it's my new point. Then I take Q, do the same thing. Right 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and down 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's Q prime. R. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, down 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's R prime. Then it says to list the coordinates of the new shape after it's been translated. So we're going to say P prime is something, Q prime and r prime. So p prime, looking at p prime, it's located at 3, 0. Q prime is located at 1, -5. And r prime is located at 6, -5. Okay? To come up with a rule, so let's go over our rule again. The rule always starts with x, y. With an arrow, it's an arrow notation rule. And there's two things that happen. It moved right or left, and then it moved up or down. So it says it moved to the right 8. So we know moving to the right is plus. So it's going to be x plus 8, comma. Then it says it moved down 6. Down is negative direction, so it's going to be y minus 6. If you wanted to check your work without graphing and just do it mathematically, let's take our first letter P and check it. P is at -5, 6. If we plug in -5, 6 into our rule, we should get 3, 0. -5 plus 8 is 3. And our y, 6 minus 6 is 0. So it works. And that's the arrow notation rule. Remember, translations are just a slide around the coordinate grid. Think of chess, playing chess or strategizing chess. You're just sliding figures around a coordinate plane. I hope you all found this helpful. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.